Hi everyone, this is Real World Audio, and I had questions where you can find the copper tape that I use for lining the chassis, so turning your chassis into a copper chassis effectively, or to use it on transformers, capacitors, to provide EMI and RFI shielding for your parts and make them sound much more natural, to get you more low-level details and natural sound. So here you go, one source, and that's what I use. Just use this nice online store and type in for the search 3M copper tape, and you will get tons of stuff, and basically you click on anything and that's what it is. So some of it, you see, it's like really skinny, like a quarter inch wide copper tape. It looks like this. And this one you can use. I will show applications how you can use that. You can use this on your interconnect cables or HDMI cables, or when you have like a 1 inch wide tape. This you can use on a lot of capacitors. It's just the right size to roll around the cap. But if you want to lay your chassis, or you have a really big transformer, maybe a potted transformer, you want to roll your copper tape around it, then you need this bigger roll, like these guys, 50 millimeter wide. So it's about, actually this is bigger than that, but you can get really wide. So 50 millimeters wide would be like this big. This is, I think, like 3 inches wide, so it's like 50% wider. 3M tape. So you can get them in any size, from this skinny guy to that fat boy. It's the same tape, but you will see very different prices, and the prices differ a lot, because for the 3M brand one, you get high quality copper, and these guys, which are like really ridiculously low cheap prices, you get recycled copper, which is has a much lower conductivity than high quality copper. That's the price difference. So basically, if you want to, well, I no need to talk more about this. So thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe. But before, I wanted to show you this. You can also get it from DigiKey or Mouser. Just type in RFI and EMI shield, or just 3M tape, and you will find it. You will see that you have tougher prices than on eBay. This is like $55 versus the $5, $10, $20 prices we saw on eBay for stuff from China. But here, this is the one that uses the higher quality copper tape, and if you see in this, it is 54 feet long. So on eBay you are usually getting just like a few feet or few meters for that money, but this gives you 54 foot long or feet long tape. So yes, so if you want lots of footses of copper tape, and you want to make it really high quality, then just get the 3M brand. But or eventually, if you use it for EMI RFI shielding for audio, there will not be a noticeable difference between these recycled copper and then the high quality copper. The difference will hit home if you want to roll out your own DIY copper foil capacitors. Because if you want to make a DIY copper coupling capacitor, then use the higher grade copper, because then it will make a very big difference in sound. So these cheap ones from recycled coppers, they will not sound good if you want to make a coupling cap out of that. So just hint, this is another application for this copper tape. You can roll out your own capacitor. It's not easy, it takes a little practice, but it's really doable, and you can get astonishingly good sound from rolling out your own coupling capacitors. So if you cannot afford really big money for a really high-end capacitor, you can try your own. But honestly, today, even at the lower price range, such as like obligatos or clarity cap or something like that, you get absolutely fantastic coupling caps. And if you try to roll your own, it's going to make you more money and effort than just buying a clarity cap or a Mundorf cap. So thank you for tuning in. I hope this was useful for everyone. Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends, because YouTube is not really telling new viewers about my videos. It's very rare if they ever pop up for new viewers. Basically, if you are a subscriber and you hit the notification bell, that's when you are going to see my videos in the future. If not, my channel is too small and it's not monetized. I'm not doing direct income from YouTube, so it's not really favored, and there I have few viewers, so it's not a big incentive for YouTube to push my videos in the front. So that's why I depend on you, that if you have friends, then share my videos with them. That's how we can spread the audio education to a wider range of people, to so that everyone who is interested in it has access to it. That's the way. So thank you, and your help in this is much appreciated, and it's for the good of the community. So please like, subscribe, tell your friends. Bye bye.